Today's book is called Frogs. We don't find out until the title page who wrote this. Let's check it out. Before we get there, right here it says, can you find these 4 frog photos in this book? So take a quick look. See if you can put them in your head there so you can remember. And let's see if we can find the author of this book. Aha, Amazing Animals, Frogs by Valerie Bodden. Frogs are amphibians. Amphibians are cold-blooded animals that spend part of their lives in water and part on land. There are more than 5,000 kinds of frogs. This frog is a mossy frog who lives in the Asian country of Vietnam. All frogs have wide, flat heads with bulging eyes. Their long back legs help them hop. Frogs that swim have webbed feet, like Ferdinand. Some tree frogs have sticky toe pads to help them climb. Many frogs are gray, brown, or green. Others are bright colors like we saw in the rainforest at the aquarium. This is a red-eyed tree frog. The smallest frogs are tinier than your fingernail. The biggest frogs can grow more than a foot long. Giant leaf frogs will grow more than 4 inches long. Frogs live almost everywhere in the world except Antarctica. Some frogs live in rainforests or in lakes or rivers. Others live on mountains or in hot, dry deserts. And we know that others live in ponds. Some kinds of bullfrogs hide underground when it is cold or dry. Look at this guy. Can you see his eyes? Most frogs eat insects. Big frogs also eat snakes, mice, birds, and fish. Most frogs catch prey with their long, sticky tongues. Then they pull the prey into their mouths. Green frogs eat insects, slugs, snails, and small snakes. There's a lot of S words there. Most female frogs lay eggs in or near water. Tadpoles come out of the eggs. They have a tail and no legs. They breathe through gills. After a few weeks, the tadpoles grow legs and lungs. They lose their tails. Now they are adult frogs. Most wild frogs live more than 5 years. Frogs spend part of the day warming their bodies in the sun. If they get too hot, they might move into the shade or the water to stay cool. Many frogs are the most active at night. Dark colors and patterns make some frogs hard to find. Look at that, he's blending with his camouflage. Frogs can be noisy. Some frogs croak, chirp, or whistle. Others buzz, hum, squeak, or honk. Males make sounds to call females or to tell other males to stay away. Some female frogs can make sounds too. This green tree frog has a vocal sac to make loud noises. Look at that big throat there. Frogs are a common sight in the wild. With the great variety of sizes, colors, and sounds, it is always fun to see and hear these high-jumping, amazing animals. This colorful tree frog lives in Madagascar. This page says, fun facts. Each type of frog has its own special call or sound. Peep, bark, cluck, grunt, quack, trill, or some even say ribbit.